Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do fidget spinners.
So today we are going to do a video on Archie's fidget spinners that he has been collecting.
But one's broke, my metal one.
Yep, do you want to show him the metal one?
Okay.
This one we're not going to be included, show the camera. We're not going to be including this one today, his metal one, because it broke. We need to fix it.
Yeah.
So, do you want to show him the first one, mate?
This one, the blue one, is so cool. They do your trick like spinning.
So there's the blue one. It's plastic. It's quite a good one.
And it's with this one, isn't it, Dad? So it's the pink one.
It's quite a good one.
So it's the pink one anyway.
Try a trick. Oops.
He knows how to do it. See? It's cool, isn't it? This is much more
So
cooler.
that's the blue one. Do you want to show him another one?
Pink one. Pink one is the same as that, but one's missing for it. So I don't care, but it feels okay. But do your massive trick on your nose.
Shall I try a trick?
Yeah. I'm doing
Spins quite fast, this one.
I'm doing this one.
Go on then, mate.
Yeah, this is the blue one. What balls come out and it spins really good.
That's a good one, isn't it? It spins quite fast, that one. He also has a Batman one.
Yeah, but this
Blue, it's plastic. It spins quite well.
but it's like broken. This one, white one comes with that, didn't it, Dad?
Mm.
And the pink one is the blue. This is the fire one.
It also has another blue one. This one has metal ball bearings inside. You want to show that one, Arch?
It's awesome. Look at it.
It's got like a spider web.
Yeah, it is like a spider web, like Spider-Man. Spider-Man is up here somewhere, isn't it? It's in there.
He also has a red one. Again, a plastic one. This one has like flames coming off it. This one spins quite well. We found that this is the best one for balancing. Didn't we, Arch?
Yeah. Dad, open this. I want to show you.
Oh, okay. Right, you show me how one spins in and I'll set that up. And then talk about your others. Show them some more.
This pink one is like sparkle. It's like sparkly. And that's pink, that's yellow. Wait, blue, yellow, red. No colour, yellow, red. It's quite cool.
I do like this one. This one spins really fast. You don't have to put much
This one's
effort.
a little bit fast.
Let's have a war, shall we? Let's go. Sue wins the war. Coming in. Bring it into the camera. Come over here. Oh, you won.
I'm strongest then.
He also has a little thing that you put on your finger.
And get one of these, they spin. That.
And what happens is we can't get one apart at the minute, but you take off the little plastic thing here.
Yeah, this one only comes off because
And then it goes into
that one's
the...
really hard to take off. This one's easy to take off, but I can't because I've got the
Should we bring them all up to the camera and show them all?
Okay.
That's our video on fidget spinners. Feel free to leave comments, guys. This is our first video, so hoping we're going to improve as we add more videos.
Comment who's a fidget spinner war? Who's the strongest? Me or Daddy?
Definitely me. Bye, guys.